This is very healthy and delicious black bean brownies. Plus, it's very easy to make. Just put all the ingredients in the blender or a food processor if you have one. Check the description below for the ingredients list. So, 1 can of black beans into the blender, 3 eggs, oatmeal, cocoa powder, baking powder, salt, maple syrup, vegetable oil, and sugar. I prefer to use brown sugar, but of course you can always use white if you want. And I am going to use lemon juice for flavoring, but of course you can always use vanilla flavor if you want. And blend all ingredients until smooth and fine. Scrape the sides to make sure that all ingredients are blended well. Then transfer it into a square baking pan lined with parchment paper. And oh, don't forget to batter the parchment paper so that the brownie will not stick to the paper. And last but not the least, the favorite of all, chocolate chips. Yummy, yummy, yum! My mouth has been watering, I just can't wait. And this is ready for the oven for 20 to 25 minutes on 350 Fahrenheit. And of course, as always, the oven must be preheated first. See that? Chocolate chips. Wow. It's very fudgy. You won't even know the difference from the real brownies, the chocolate brownies. Guys, you're gonna try this. You won't regret this recipe. You're gonna keep this forever. Yeah. It's perfect for the kids. Taste heavenly. Can't stop. Anyway, I'm gonna sign off. Just click the link on the left and on the right. Okay, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye bye.